How to share Instagram profile link on WhatsApp. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can share Instagram profile link on WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your Instagram. Make sure you're logged in into your account. After you do that, head over to the bottom right corner on your profile. After you're on your profile on the bottom right, there you'll find an option that says Share Profile. So it's right beside Edit Profile. Tap on it. And after you tap on Share Profile, there you will see your QR code which you can share. Other than that, you'll also see an option where you can copy the link and you can just paste the link wherever you want, or you can download your QR code as well. The last option is Share Profile, which you can tap and directly share your profile link on WhatsApp. So tap on Share Profile. After you tap on Share Profile, you can then search for WhatsApp right here. Tap on it. After you tap on it, you can then find the group or person that you want to share your link with. So tap on it and then tap on Next. Then tap on Share. Doing that, you'll have shared your Instagram account's link to your friends on your WhatsApp. So let's go ahead and check. And there you can see it's been shared, and that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.